In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a project with IntelliJ. We will then write our first Java program. We will learn how to run this program and then how to correct some errors in the IntelliJ development environment. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and open IntelliJ. We'll have to wait a few moments as IntelliJ loads up. Now, to create a new project, we'll click on Create New Project. So we need to specify our project SDK. So we click on the New button and IntelliJ automatically selects the JDK installed on our system. Click OK. Now select Java in the left pane and click Next. Because we want to create our application from scratch, leave everything as is and click Next. In the project name field, we'll give the application any name. Because our application is Hello World app, type Hello World. In the project location field, we observe IntelliJ creates a default folder. We want to create our own folder, so we click on the Browse button. I'll save my work on the desktop where I have a Java programs folder created. Right click on it and create a new folder. Give it a name, say Hello World, and click OK. Click OK. And click Finish. IntelliJ then goes on to create our project. Now you get this tip of the day window. It is my advice that you read some of these tips. They are really helpful. For example, this tip shows how to show separator lines between methods in the editor. Close it to get started. Open the project panel. Because we have no file selected, our editor is empty. Let's go ahead and create our file. In the project panel, click Hello World. You see a folder called SRC, short for source. This is where all the source files for our project will be stored. Now we're going to create our source file. To do that, right click on the source folder. Go to New and click Java class. Now make sure class is selected and give it a name. Our project is Hello World project, so we type hello and press enter on the keyboard. IntelliJ automatically creates our hello class for us. Now let's get right to it. Inside the curly braces, type the following lines of code: public, static, void, main, open bracket, string, square brackets, space, arcs, open curly braces. Inside, type system dot out dot println, open bracket. Inside the bracket, type a quotation mark, and you see IntelliJ automatically adds another quotation. Now between the marks, type hello world. Hello world. And end with a semicolon. Let's go ahead and run our project. Right click anywhere inside the main method. And click on run hello.main. And in our output panel below, we get our text printed hello world. Congratulations, you have created and run your first Java program. Now let's look at our public static void main method. In this block, the compiler begins running program from this block. Every program we write starts from the main method. It contains a statement that will produce output. On line 3, that is the system.out.println statement. This statement actually does the work of the program. That is, display the text hello world. The text hello world is an argument to the println method. We'll talk about arguments later in the course. Again, the hello world text is a literal string that will appear exactly as it is typed. String literals are written between quotation marks. If I were to change the word world to say YouTube and then click run, see we get the output to be hello YouTube. Also, if I erase one of the quotation marks, see IntelliJ automatically alerts us that there are 3 errors found. Let's go ahead and run it. And now down below we get to see those errors fully explained. As you can see, all 3 has been shown. Each error shows a line number and the position it is found. When correcting errors, start with the first one because sometimes the first one gives rise to the others. So now let's double click the first error and we get an insertion mark displayed before the first quotation mark telling us need to add another one. So let's replace it and click run. We see there are no more errors and we get our output hello YouTube. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.